speech, I would like to convey my heartfelt Teachers' Day wishes to our previous teachers. Every year, on 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day because Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan birth anniversary, who was a great teacher and scholar. Later, he served as a president of our country. In this auspicious day, I would share few words about teachers. School is not only a place to study. It is a holy place like a temple. In school, we get knowledge, education, courage, confidence, wisdom, survival of fitness, etc., etc. Teacher is not just a word. It is a magical mantra word. It enchants our mind so that our multifaceted hero and our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes character, caliber, future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor of me. Hence, I say teachers are our second parents. Parents are our second teachers. Parents are our financial supporters, as well as teachers are our intellectual supporters. Both are physically balanced of our life in this society. A good teacher or a good parent never leave us to anyone. Sometimes they beat and scold us for our improvement and good practice of reprimanders. We happily accept that some bitter truths will happen while they are teaching good things. In this time, we have done a big mistake. Yes, we have stopped the teacher to condemning us. Because of this, student community is stumbling and going to wrong path. This situation must be changed and we need a old situation. Then only the pupils return to rehabilitation life. I kindly request you all, do not forget, a good education can change everything and a good teacher can change anyone. We should praise and worship every day. Once again, I thank you all to given this wonderful opportunity to speak about our esteemed teachers. Thank you.